Check out this is 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, mirror memory, MP3 player, Bluetooth connection, auxiliary audio input and premium synthetic seats. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.